Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to enable developer options on your Onn Google TV streaming box. So the first step is to navigate to your settings menu. So highlight the settings icon on your home screen and then select all settings. From here, you then want to scroll down to system, and under system, you want to select about. So from here, you want to then scroll through your system, your about settings, until you get to the option Android TV OS build. So you want to select this option 7 times so that you can now enable developer options. You should see this message, you are now a developer, appearing on your screen, which means that you've successfully enabled developer options. So to access it, you then want to navigate back to your main settings page. And then from here, you then want to scroll down until you find developer options. Select that, and now you can see your developer options settings. So from here, if you have anything that you wanted to customize here, you can now do so very easily. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.